Hey there, good to see you. I'm Matthew, the blacksmith, sometimes leather worker, fabricator, veneer crafter, designer. I'm the maker behind the products you see from EH Forge Company, Echo Hill Forge, located right here in the foothills of Southeast Ohio. Thank you for purchasing or perhaps considering one of our handmade guitar hangers. I honestly love every step of making these. Each tool and process, from building the jig to heat and bend the shape, to peening the ends of the steel rod, and more recently, even sewing the leather sleeves right here in my tiny workshop using vegetable tanned leather from the legendary Horween Leather Company out of Chicago, Illinois. I do not cut corners with these guitar hangers, and I hope that you could feel that when you first took it out of the packaging. So, whether you're planning to install this into a wall stud or use the drywall anchor that's provided, or maybe you aren't sure yet, let's walk through the steps together. If you're using a stud finder, mark your location. Take a Post-it note and stick it to the wall just below the hole that you're getting ready to drill, and then fold it in half. It'll catch all the fine drywall dust. Then go ahead and drill a small pilot hole. I recommend a 3/16 inch hole here, about 2 inches deep or so. And now that you know that you're in a wall stud, it's time to commit to what's called a hanger bolt. And that's this guy right here. Take out the little tube of thread locker and shake it up. Then squeeze 4 to 5 drops into the threaded stem of the guitar hanger. Now the hanger bolt will only go in about a 1/2 inch. And what happens is the thread locker will form a permanent bond. I like to recommend waiting about 90 minutes here to allow that bond to form prior to installation. So 90 minutes-ish have passed. And all you need to do now is put the washer on there and turn the hanger clockwise until it tightens down. And just snug it down. If you need to adjust it for proper hanging, then it's better to back it off a little bit in the counterclockwise direction. And that's it, you did it. Okay, wall studs are ideal, but if you have this perfect spot that you picked out and the guitar absolutely must hang there, then you can use this toggle anchor. So you'll need to drill a 5/8 inch hole here. And it's always a good idea to start with a 3/16 inch hole anyways, even if you're sure that there isn't a stud there, because sometimes stud finders are wrong. I prefer these paddle bits or spade bits. You can get them pretty cheap and they're actually pretty common. Again, shake and apply 4 to 5 drops of the thread locker into the threaded stem and insert the fully threaded bolt that's used with the drywall anchor. After it's cured for 90 minutes or so, you can put the washer on the bolt, and then the anchor goes on just at the end. You need this gap here when the anchor is closed to be wider than the thickness of your drywall, which is typically about a 1/2 inch, so that it can pass through the wall and expand. You need to put a little tension on it by pulling out on the guitar hanger as you turn it clockwise. Snug it down, get it adjusted properly, and you're good to go. I hope you love it. Everything except for those bolts is made by hand here in the shop. Thank you so much for the support, and please send us a photo. We love seeing how customers use our products. Feel free to reach out via the email in the description with any questions or feedback. Good luck and have a good day.